Good afternoon, my name is Ted Heil. I'm the president of Mini Circuits, and welcome to our booth for the 2019 IMS. This year we've got a lot of new products that we're bringing to the market, and most of them are here on display at our booth. We'll start with some of the new products in the LTCC area. This is a technology that we brought into the market probably 25, 30 years ago. But over the last few years we've spent a lot of energy. It's been a big source of investment. What we've done recently in the last 12 to 18 months is we've started to redesign some of our traditional products that were larger in size, 1206, 1210. We've reduced the size down to 0603, 0805, and we now have 0402 and 0202 packages. We've also enhanced the rejection qualities of these filters so we can get much sharper skirts in the same size or even smaller. These packages will also be offered in our new designer kits. We have them for our filters, for our low temperature co-fired ceramic balance and transformers will all be available through our website. Moving along to our Connectorized products, over the last year we've put over 400 new products into the web. A lot of them are our super ultra broadband Connectorized couplers, power splitters, and hybrids. These cover frequency ranges starting at 500 megahertz and go all the way up to 65 gigahertz. We've also increased the amount of power amplifiers that we have in the market. These are 100 watts up to 6 gigahertz, and now we've pushed the frequency range of our traditional Connectorized power amplifier line up to 40 gigahertz. This is the first amplifier that we put in the market, 50 megahertz to 40 gigahertz, one package, one amplifier, and that's so setting the industry standard. A lot of our Connectorized amplifiers are based on our own internally designed MMICs. This is the example of the PMA383LN, which we just re-released this year, operating down to 400 megahertz up to 8 gigahertz. We've also pushed the frequency range of our MMIC amplifiers. 18 gigahertz was the top end. Now we've pushed that up to 40 gigahertz, and we'll soon be releasing our 50 gigahertz amplifiers. But our MMIC products aren't only just for amplifiers. Over the last year, we've increased the offering in passive parts like power splitters, couplers, and even our surface-mounted attenuators. Test Solutions has been a big advancement for Mini Circuits over the last several years. These products are the first released 30 and 40 gigahertz digital attenuators. These are used by a variety of different lab customers for level control over super wide bands. They're offered in both Ethernet and USB controlled, as well as SPI bus, so you can cascade and daisy chain them throughout your system. Last year we introduced at the IMS our UVNA63. That was our first series in an educational kit. It enables our students to build and program and develop the algorithms for their own vector network analyzer. Well, we said that was the first in the series, and this year we're extending that series with our second kit. This is in partnership with Vayer, our sister company in Israel. What we're releasing this year is the V-Trig. It is a 60 to 70 gigahertz, 40 antenna, 20TX, 20RX imaging test kit. It enables research institutes, labs, universities who are developing imaging algorithms to try those algorithms in a real environment. This is an example of it tracking people as they're walking by the booth. And ultimately, our long-term goal is to create true intense imaging solutions. All of what you see here at Mini Circuits booth is the results of the last 12 months and a little glimpse into our future of what we'll be releasing over the next year. Thank you very much.